JSPR stock, Jasper Therapeutics Inc. is currently trading at $15.93 in this session of the 13th of October 2021. It has run up a gain of 120.94%, 64.7 million shares across the tape, which is above average. Shares outstanding is that 6.52 million shares, and the float is a very small 2.37 million. That's what we saw from Yahoo Finance. Price reached a new 52-week high today. At some point it reached $18.24, so it has since retraced. It also crossed the 50 and the 200-day moving averages as well, and yesterday, the 12th, it reached its 52-week low. And the folks at Oppenheimer starts JSPR stock at Outperform with a $21 price target. So the analyst in question, J. Olsen, has it that they view JSPR as an emerging leader in the development of novel targeted conditioning agents for hematopoietic stem cell transplantation, HSCT, with leading candidates JSP191 and proprietary engineered hematopoietic stem cell eHSC platform. JSP191 is currently in clinical development in patients with severe combined immunodeficiency SCID, as well as patients with myelodysplastic syndromes, MDS, or acute myeloid leukemia, AML. They view JSPR as well positioned to potentially transform the decades-old hematopoietic stem cell transplantation for various diseases, either as a standalone conditioning agent or as a backbone for the conditioning regimen. So technically speaking, JSPR stock is showing strength within a longer-term bearish trend. Its MACD is above the signal line, and shares are presently below, presently 58.4% above the 200-day moving average. However, that moving average is declining, implying that that caution is still warranted. It's also lagging the S&P 500. Momentum for JSPR stock is strongly bullish. The 14-period stochastic oscillator is rising as investors are now paying high prices for JSPR stock. The last 10 days have seen significant volume in JSPR stock, even when it was retracing and approaching its 52-week low. The average daily volume for the last year is we don't exactly have that figure, but today's volume is okay. The average day, the last 10 days have seen significant volume in JSPR stock, with average daily volume above the average for the last year. Today's volume is no exception, with 64.723 million shares having traded already. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of indicators positive and suggests that buyers are definitely more active than sellers. The first line of that 14-period slow stochastic oscillator has crossed the slow line, and they are just rising from the oversold territory, which are bullish indications. So given all the positives we have seen so far, the stock has run up a huge gain on above average volume. What follows this sort of sessions is usually a retracement or a pullback, so caution is still warranted, and just know how you're going to play this one. And thank you very much for watching this video.